Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on allow anyone to mention this role on your role settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here and now click settings and now click roles and now click here. Here as you see you will find allow anyone to mention this role. Click on it like this and click save, and that's it will be saved, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.